Unleashing humor, exaggerating actions and events in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore a rather funny topic, exaggeration. Now, you might be wondering, what does exaggeration have to do with learning English? Well, exaggeration is an essential element in storytelling and jokes, and mastering it can take your English communication skills to a whole new level. Specifically, we'll focus on describing actions and events through exaggeration. Let's dive right in. Exaggeration is essentially stretching the truth, making something seem bigger, better, worse, or more important than it actually is. In English, exaggeration is often used to emphasize a point, convey strong emotions, or simply to inject humor into a conversation or a story. Consider this example. I've told you 1,000,000 times to clean your room. Here, 1,000,000 times is an exaggeration. The speaker did not literally tell the person 1,000,000 times but is using this exaggeration to emphasize their point. When it comes to exaggerating actions and events, there are a few techniques you can use. 1. Hyperbolic language. Hyperbole is a figure of speech that involves exaggeration. It's often used in humor, but also in everyday conversation to emphasize a point. Example: she ran faster than the speed of light. Nobody can actually run faster than the speed of light. This is a clear exaggeration to emphasize how fast she was running. 2. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative and superlative adjectives can also be used to exaggerate. Comparatives, e.g., bigger, faster, compare two things, while superlatives, e.g., biggest, fastest, compare more than two things. Example: he's the smartest person in the entire universe. Here, the speaker doesn't literally know every single person in the universe, but uses this superlative adjective to emphasize the person's intelligence. 3. Idiomatic expressions. Many idioms in English involve exaggeration. For instance, cry your eyes out doesn't mean your eyes will literally fall out if you cry. It just means you're crying a lot. Example: I laughed so hard, I thought my sides would split. This is an idiomatic expression that exaggerates the action of laughing. So there you have it, folks. Mastering the art of exaggeration can help add color, emotion, and humor to your English conversations and stories. Remember, English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about expressing your ideas, emotions, and personality. And what better way to do that than with a good laugh? We hope this lesson on exaggeration in describing actions and events has been useful. Until next time, keep practicing and keep laughing.